how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jason Voorhees mask in Squid Games. So there is going to be like a variation to it. Essentially, this is the Squid Games variation of that mask. So anyways, that's pretty much it. It's going to be real simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around. Also, stick around for the entire lesson. It is only 8 minutes, okay? So at the very end of 8 minutes, you will have a brand new skill if you stick with me. So, all right then, let us get started. If you like learning how to draw your favorite characters, also hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That'll let you know when I post. So let's get started with this side of the mask over here. I'm gonna curve this side of the mask. Like so. Kind of simple, just like a simple curve right here. We're doing the left side, curving up. Over here, over the top. Curve around the side here. Curve along the bottom here. And we're going to complete this entire shape. Right on. All right, so I have this simple shape. You can also put some for the straps at the top here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw like a square at the top, circle here for kind of the button that's attaching to it, and I'm gonna fill this in. I'm a big Friday the 13th fan. I have a video game as well. It's really fun to play. Gonna go here on this side. Over here, down, out. And I'm gonna draw a circle here. Fill that in. Over here on this side. Filling that out like so. Okay, these are all kind of the straps, the strap to the side of the head, right? I didn't draw the actual string back there. I just kind of drew that. It's, you know, pretty obvious. Okay, let's go into the face itself. I'm going to draw a triangle so in Squid Games it's either triangle, a square, or a circle. So I'm gonna kind of replace his triangle with kind of a big triangle in the center. I'm gonna actually use a red marker for this. You don't have to do this. I am gonna use a red marker though. I think it's a good idea to do it. But you can also use just a black marker, I'll be fine. So I'm gonna go over here, up, curve down over here, and I'm gonna draw a line across, right, to get that going. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna thicken this line. You can also use a colored pencil for this. You can use anything for this red. Again, you don't have to use red even. You can just kind of use you could just kind of use the marker in general. And then I'm going to fill out this line as well at the bottom. I hope Squid Game sticks around. I hope they have another season and stuff, because I know it's popular, but you know what I mean? I hope it becomes kind of, I would say like a classic. I guess I hope it becomes a classic, or at least a classic where, you know, you can hear about it and you know what's going on, kind of thing. I wouldn't put it in horror either. So okay, that's that right there. Jason also has these two lines over here, this triangle shape. So right here and here on this side, right? And that's going to be cut off here. And then right here, and here on this side. Like so. Whew. I can smell this marker, so I never use it. Okay, so let's go into the actual face back with black marker. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the oxygen holes that, you know, for the mask. You could even draw like, okay, so let's go right here. There's one underneath the nose, right? And then it's going to be 6 over here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the front, there's one over here on the side. So the ones on the side, I kind of make them look like a little bit more like thin and long. You know? And a couple over here. You can draw like 3 more. Over here as well. There's like a trifecta of 3. Along the forehead, they go across, and I'm actually gonna kind of put that in there. I'm gonna put, it's gonna look like eyes, so I'm gonna have to adjust it. I'm just gonna have to put 1 over here on the front of the temple, 2 over here. I'm not gonna put, there's usually 2 in the middle there, but it's gonna look like eyes, so I think it's gonna look really strange. I'm gonna put 1 over here, and another one over here. Actually, there's 2 more, so 1 over here more, over here. Then on this side, 2, 3, like that, and over here. Like so. So you have 3 more right there on the side, but they're on the side of the temple. That's why I drew them like a little bit more. Do you understand what I mean by that? So there's a right here like a perfect circle type one, and there's one right here that looks almost like a coin on its side, right? It's a little flatter this direction. And if you want, you can throw thin, like make sure they're thin, like cracks, right? To make it look like that horror element. Just kind of floating around here. It doesn't have to be all over. Doesn't have to be all over. Just kind of here and there. You can maybe throw like a line, a thin line here, thin line here, because there's a little it comes out a little bit for the nose. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this little crossover of Squid Game and Jason Voorhees. Let me know what you think. If you like this kind of stuff, press that like. If you did get any value from the video, there's one thing you can do. Share the video. Share it on, there's a quick button on YouTube where it says share on the bottom corner somewhere. Press that. Takes literally 2 seconds. Press that and then auto share it to whatever you're logged into, whether it be Twitter, Pinterest, or anything like that. It helps the algorithm out for the channel, and honestly, it brings back a lot of cool people to talk to on the channel as well. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.